This is a different world in here. Damn. Well, out and about again. Out for a 3-day ride, 2 nights, probably about 1,000 k's, and yeah, currently at Ebor Falls, and they've just recently opened up the lookout, so we'll go check that out. Yep, that's pretty cool. Awesome job of this. Bloody, yeah, well built. Don't look down. I'll show you down in a minute, but mate, stunning. Running well. And just this valley, just these gorges running through. There's a secondary fall there that's pretty impressive, but you've got to go a bit further down. But mate, they done well with this. The existing one was burnt out a couple of years ago. I actually came here just after the fires. But yeah, they ripped through here. I'm gonna head out of here. I'm just gonna mainly do a bit of a highway run to make up some ground. I've got a long way to travel, so I'll end up, yeah, just punch through to Inverell before I get to the campsite, which is out near Ashford. Anyway, let's keep going. Ooh. Fingers just defrosted. Get them all numb again. Oh mate, yeah, they put a lot of money into that, a lot of time and effort, and got it right. Yeah, so just rolling into Gyra, and it ain't getting any warmer, so I'm pretty well going to just sort of go through the town, punch it all the way through to Inverell. Pretty good run, pretty smooth run. A cold run. Not even winter yet, it's still cold out here. You can smell a lot of the locals have got their fires going already. Anyway, yeah, keep on rolling, roll through Inverell, and we'll end up around Ashford. I'm not sure what time. What is it? 11 o'clock now, so probably around 2. Set up camp and do a bit of exploring. Alright, we'll go check out these caves. Bike should be right there. Pretty organised. Got my head torch. Should be right. Not sure how far, but won't be too far, I don't think. So looking around, it looks like this was a bit of a thing. Sort of closed up now. Picnic tables there. Toilet up there. Water tank around there. So yeah, this was something that I don't know, I guess it was a bit of a tourist attraction and sort of shut it down. Well, we got bats and bugs. The limestone caves. You are now in Kwiambal, pronounced. There you go. I'm going to get it right now. Kwiambal. There you go. Got it right. Kwiambal National Park, named after the Aboriginals of this area. Cool. There might be some caves, some bats in there. We're officially, must be close to the mouth of it or the entry. Cool. Damn. Right, let's go for a walk. Let's go see what we can see. All right, going in. Damn. Spooky. Oh, it's getting dark. I think I need some lighting in here. Oh, there's a little bird nest on the roof. Hang on, I'll get some light happening. Look at that. I don't know if you can see them. I guess like swallows or something. Damn. Whew. Yeah, it's freaky. One of these like stalactites, whatever they call them. So they drip from the roof, like here, and where they land they create a deposit, which is this little fella. Stalactite and stalagmites, one's up, one's down. But yeah, mate, we'll go this way. Woo-hoo. Actually a bit freaky. God. Oh man. I do not like tight spaces. Oh geez, he goes. And she goes, and that's as far as I'm going. Wow, eh? That's as deep as I'm going. Damn, eh? That's pretty crazy in there. Just don't do tight, confined spaces, but that's, yeah, I don't know what to say about that. Imagine working underground in the old days. Just working in a hole like that, digging away. Crazy. All right, and that's one thing around here, it's in abundance, is those prickly pears. Big one over there, I'll show you one. Oh, there's a little one. A little spiky bastard. I'll show you this big one. Yeah, total pest of a plant. So, mate, this one's 10 foot high. Look at this monster. Crazy big bastard. Huge, crazy one. But yeah, mate, these things are pretty well like a tree down here, like a normal tree. Mate, that is a huge one. Not good. All right, we're out of here. Go for a wander back about 8 k's from the campsite apparently. Look for snakes. Run into there, check it out, set up my tent, and unwind. It's been a pretty big day. Done about 500 k's, which is a long time on that little seat. Cool. All right, campsite time. It's pretty cool in there. Let's go find this campsite. What is it, about 2:30? Oh. Not too far. What do we got? That's me. Kookabitta. Some reception at this point with the old mobile, and what, 3 k's to the campground. McIntyre Falls that way. So we'll come back out in the morning. Yeah, we'll go check her out in the morning, I reckon. It's supposed to be a clearer, better day than this at the moment. A few people here. It's the old holidays at the moment, so we're down the end here somewhere. Toilet number 6, number 7 I think. Take the bike in. Give this sleeping bag its first run. Ooh, pretty small, I'm happy with that. But it grows pretty big as my pillow. Get it out for a little while. It should expand. Unzip the thing so I can get in it. Okay. Oh, got a nice hood in it. A little bit of room in this tent, not much. This is 2-person, which is realistically 1 person. That should fit well in there. Should lock into that hood. I mean, worst comes to worst, I'll put a t-shirt on it. Should be able to, should stay there. We will find out. As long as it locks in, as long as if it locks in up the top there, it should stay there. That's about it. Now it's just a matter of whether it's, how comfortable it is, how warm. I'm sweating now though. It was 22 today, so it's supposed to drop down to about 10 or 9, which is probably going to be hot. Alright. Oh, a few more things to do. Alrighty, so that's pretty well it. Tent, bike, firewood. I'll get some more wood. I've only got a little bit at the moment, but she's pretty well set up. Bike's away from the tent enough so it doesn't fall on it. River just there. We'll check that out a little bit later behind these big old trees. But nah, that's it. There's accommodation. This corner. That'll do. Now it's a good feeling when you finally set up your camp. Got all your firewood, probably see it over there, all the firewood for the night. Yeah, some of the just stuff from that was supplied. And yeah, just a bit of loose stuff, light stuff to get us started. So camp's all done, just sit back. First bourbon. Just relax. Listen to Corellas or cockatoos, one of the two. Yeah, just noisy. Cockatoos, I think. Yeah, and just wind down for the afternoon. Time out. Get the fire going later. Sizzle up a bit of food. Nothing exciting, just tin soup, but it'll do. A bit of bread. Yeah, just enjoy where you are and relax. That's what it's all about for me. Alright, all packed up. Bit of a soggy one last night, I'll tell you about that in a sec. But she's yeah, left a little bit of wood there. Tent's all away, saturated. So, but clear a bit of blue up there. I'll give you the rundown in a second. Once I get these gloves on. So basically, it rained for about 6-7 hours, which is not the end of the world, but it means you got a soggy tent, which is not ideal. But anyway, that's what it did. Alright, we're out of here. Gonna go over to the waterfall and have a bit of a squeeze. Just had about 6 charge past me. Only caught the last one on film. Yeah, plenty of kangaroos, deer, So yeah, she's shaping up as a bit better day. Right, she was oh yeah, bit of slither of hope behind there. Oh, they've got some great facilities here, eh? This little shed. Awesome. Little bench. Gas stove. Roof leaks. But yeah, mate, it's nice. Alright, we'll go up to the first lookout. As you can see, blue sky after 7 hours of rain. Well, we got up here, we got the I take it's a, what we got, McIntyre Falls lookout, easy grade, 200 meters, and the beach lookout. Anyway, we're going up to check it out first, and then we'll go down, I would think. But yeah, nice spot, and a bit of sun would be awesome. Mate, I can hear it rumbling. She's definitely running hard. Phew. Damn. Wow. Look how brown it is. Must have had some rain out here. Well, we had some last night, but it was just light. But look at that. Particularly that up there in the headwaters. Mate, it is going crazy. Damn. Well, I didn't expect to be running like that. Yeah, wow. Hey, it's just charging. It's just like up, come around the back here. Wow. I'll try and get down the bottom, I think. I don't know. That is running hard. That's all I got. Come on, blue sky. You can do it. Yeah, crazy. I'll try and get down there. Yeah, I had visions of just the tiniest little waterfall, just trickling away. Didn't expect a raging brown torrent. We'll go downstairs here. Get down to the, what they call the rock pool. Right. It's a different world down here. All right. The final hurdle. Slippery rock. Damn, with flood debris. These rocks are a bit slippery now, they're wet. Should be alright, we go slow. Little sticks and stuff, so she was way up. Yep. There's one brown, swirling, chaotic mess. Yeah, mate, that's Yeah, I'm just trying to imagine the rain they've had up here. Must have been for a little while ago. That pile of flood debris. It would have been up here. I'm about 20 feet above the height now. Wow. That's all I got. Damn. So it looks like there's a, get my breath back from that hill. A second look out here. So this one we look down the gorge, I reckon. That's hard work climbing out there. A little bit slippery. Bit of hard work in it. Whew. All right, let's check out this one. Damn, again. Oh. Wow. This is a big landscape. That's a bit to take in, all that. It's crazy, this gorge thing. I guess it's granite, it's a big granite sort of area. Yeah, wow. All right, I'm gonna work my way out of here, head back into Ashford, grab a bit of fuel at Ashford, and yeah, wander our way to Tenterfield. Gonna go bar all the back roads, so it should be fun. Whole heap of stunning country. Hope the rain's gone that way. Find out. Yeah, we'll go in, get some fuel, and work our way sort of east. So yeah, another pretty little place. Good spot to chill out for a bit. Damn, eh? Imagine cutting this out.